Imagine completing your ESP32 capstone project with multiple sensors, automated dashboards, and real-time responses, yet nobody outside your lab sees the outcome. In IoT, demonstrating your work professionally is as important as building it. This lesson focuses on transforming your project into a career-ready showcase by combining technical clarity and storytelling. You will learn to organize your GitHub repository with detailed README files, diagrams, and demo videos, craft LinkedIn posts that highlight problem-solving and impact, and optionally contribute to open-source IoT libraries. By the end, you will be able to communicate your technical expertise effectively, making your work reproducible, visible, and attractive to recruiters, collaborators, and a wider IoT community. A professional IoT showcase requires clarity and reproducibility. On GitHub, structure your repository so any engineer can replicate your project within minutes. Include a readme.md covering project overview, hardware and software requirements, step-by-step instructions, and visual diagrams or screenshots of circuits and dashboards. Embedding a concise demo video reinforces credibility and illustrates real-world functionality. For LinkedIn, focus on impact. Describe the challenge you addressed, the ESP32 modules, libraries, and protocols used, and measurable outcomes. Optionally, contributing a bug fix or documentation update to ESP-IDF or another IoT library demonstrates community involvement and technical maturity. Reflective question: how would you explain your project's technical depth and practical impact in under 2 minutes? Begin by creating a well-named GitHub repository with separate folders for firmware, hardware diagrams, documentation, and media. Document all hardware and firmware details including BOMs, wiring diagrams, sensor schematics, and ESP32 configurations. Record a 2 to 3 minute demo video that shows sensors, actuators, dashboards, and automation logic in action, emphasizing the problem solved. Craft a concise LinkedIn post describing the project, technologies used, problem solved, and results, including visuals or short clips. For optional open-source contributions, identify minor bugs or documentation gaps, fix them, and submit a pull request to demonstrate practical engagement with the IoT developer community. The expected outcome is a reproducible, clearly presented project with professional visibility. Avoid repositories containing only code. Documentation and visuals are critical for understanding. Keep demo videos short and focused on key functionality. Always test setup instructions on a fresh environment to ensure others can reproduce the project easily. On LinkedIn, emphasize the problem statement, your approach, and measurable outcomes rather than technical minutiae. Optional contributions should be small, well-tested, and professionally documented to maximize acceptance and showcase practical collaboration skills. These practices elevate your project from a personal experiment to a professional portfolio piece that demonstrates both technical and communication competence. Begin by uploading your capstone to GitHub with comprehensive README, diagrams, and demo videos. Draft a LinkedIn post highlighting the problem addressed, ESP32 modules used, and the outcomes achieved, ensuring the content is concise and engaging. Request feedback from peers or mentors to refine clarity, presentation, and reproducibility. Contribute a minor bug fix or documentation update to ESP-IDF or an IoT library to demonstrate community involvement. Finally, monitor engagement through GitHub stars, forks, and LinkedIn interactions to evaluate the visibility and impact of your professional showcase. These exercises consolidate technical, documentation, and storytelling skills essential for career-ready IoT professionals. You have now completed your career showcase, combining technical mastery with professional presentation. By uploading your project to GitHub with clear documentation and demo videos, sharing a compelling LinkedIn case study, and optionally contributing to open source, you make your IoT expertise visible, reproducible, and impactful. These practices enhance employability, demonstrate initiative and communication skills, and establish a professional presence in the IoT community.